And so a lot of times they get locked into relationships that it's not the best accountant for them. It's not the best CPA for them, but they're convenient. They're local, they're down the street, but that doesn't mean that they're the best ones for them. And so
what's the other thought of getting a with someone who moves to a different state, especially such a big move, Mike, and where, not only is it 3 hours difference, and CPAs are busy everywhere, right? No matter what, especially the good ones. But getting that state-specific CPA or that state-specific bookkeeper or that state-specific, expert in payroll, like any thoughts on that side of things? And I'm really asking for myself, but I imagine some people are going through the same thing.
Yeah, I think that, that's typically what people are used to, is saying like, I can only work with somebody that's a CPA in my state that, is right down the road from me. And so a lot of times they get locked into relationships that it's not the best accountant for them. It's not the best CPA for them, but they're convenient. They're local, they're down the street, but that doesn't mean that they're the best ones for them. And so I would say a few things. We're a firm, our back-end firm services clients across the country, and our team is scattered across the country. So it's important that, sure, if you're working with a company that is not local or a virtual company, it's important that they have experience working in multiple states. That's vital. But if you're working with a CPA that is local, and now you decide to move, there's a good chance that CPA doesn't have any clients in that other state. And so then that could cause some conflicts, some issues that you have. So, I would say, do CPAs need to be local and operating only out of your state? Absolutely not. We've proven that since 2013 when I first started servicing clients across the country. But you have to be with the right person, because it could be a local CPA. That doesn't mean that they're going to be good across multi-states. And so it's just kind of doing that interview with whoever you're working with to say like, hey, is this something that you have experience with? Are you good working in that state or wherever it might be?